would like us to work through is the squaring of numbers near base 10. Let's look at two examples. The first one is 96 squared. Now the reason for taking 96 and subtracting 100 from it is because 96 is closer to 100 than it is to 10. Therefore, the next step, 96 minus 100 leaves us with -4. Once again, we take 96 and we subtract that answer from it. 96 minus 4 gives us 92. Now, in order to get our answer, to know what 96 squared is all about, we are going to take 92 and you ask yourself, 4 squared equals what? 4 squared is 16. Therefore, your answer results in 9216. So your answer is 9,216. The 16 obtained from squaring the 4 and the answer in the preceding step. Let's do another one. Let's take 102 squared. Now you can ask yourself once again, 102 is closer to 100 than it is to 1,000. Therefore, exactly the same as we did in the preceding formula, 102 minus 100 gives us 2. That is a positive number, right? Therefore, 102 plus 2 brings us 204. Now, something that you should remember that shouldn't be too confusing is the following. Your answer will be 10,404. Where did that 04 comes from? If you work with 100, your answer is 2 there. 2 squared is 4. We are going to add a 0 in front of the 4 because we're working with 2 digits. When we subtract from 1,000, we work with 3 digits. So then we add, for instance, 2 zeros in front of the 4. So 102 squared equals 10,404.